Let's see where we left off here, making components. So right now this thing has dark. Which means if I wrap this in a div block, give this div block that's supposed to inherit it, and it didn't. Oh. It would be what? Light or inherit. Cool. Let me reset this. So the one thing I want to learn here is how do we make just one button with multiple styles. I don't necessarily know whether or not that's possible just because I don't know, I feel like that's just not a possibility. Especially if I have unique styles like left and right. Well, let's see. Yeah, if you can see, this is a completely different icon, which I guess it's fine. This does mean I'm gonna want to create let's just make sure that in the live pages we don't have any doesn't look like it. Looking for some conflicts here. So let's go back into components. All right. So really the goal right now is to make sure this music isn't too friggin' loud. Jesus. All right. So I need to get the colors right on these. Let's just open this up. The buttons, text icon. So this is kind of what's weird about it is it's gonna have a button. Why do I have two here? Oh, a large one and a small one. this is this is the actual text icon. Okay, so in that case, I should set the color of this button is text icon. Really? This guy is setting it. Okay, so we're on text. Alright, it's text icon. Well, I don't want it to be as text icon. I actually want it to be I need it to be a secondary, so I need a button secondary text, which means what's the best way to do this? Button is text icon. Alright, let's look at how it's done on Lumos. So he just sets it directly, and I believe these buttons kind of just always shares the same class. But here he has a button secondary. That's the button secondary. This is the button wrapper itself. There's the button style, data button style. And then I guess inside of the code. Actually, what is he set for? If we go all the way in here, I am curious what he does for the background style. Yeah, see, everything is just set to the button. And then the style in the CSS is what changes it. So he's just relying on that. Okay, so that's kind of like his theme almost. I don't know how much I like that. That starts to really divorce the utility of having a variables panel, because now you just have these guys and they're not really telling you anything, which I get, you know, because you're swapping them out. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna minimize this for a second here. All right, let's go back into this view. Alright, so what am I gonna do? I guess what I could do is I can set I need to create variables. So I guess I'll do what he's doing and just kind of do it in code. Really don't like that. It's okay. So what does he do? If it's secondary, then you do it. Color. Then we got right here in the root, he's setting it. Oh, right here. Wait, did he just... Oh yeah, it's inside of there. Okay. So we'll do button secondary. Drop this. Oh, he already had the comment there. Cool. And then for button secondary, the background is transparent. Base transparent. The text, we will use this. The border, we don't need a border. The hover, we will go with this color. Well, yeah, that's fine. Go with this color. Text hover goes to white. And then border, we don't need a border. Okay. And then for the dark mode, let's do a flip, I guess. Background is still transparent. The text, I think the text I want it to be this. The background hover. Do I even want to? No, I don't want a background hover actually. We're actually transparent. Text hover will go to purple, which is not the best, but we will do it anyways. And then I need the data attribute for applying the color. Shoot, where'd it go? There it is. Okay, so alright. So here I'll set all of that. I need the transparent and base. And then this one will be just that. just variable, base, transparent. Perfect. Let's make sure I did that correctly. Variable, base, transparent. So data button style equals secondary. So in here, I need to do a custom attribute. Data button style secondary. There it is. The hover on the light is weird. Why did I break? Oh. So on hover, on secondary text hover, that is, well, hot pink is the hover. This is transparent. Technically, there's not even a background, so I don't even need this. Simplify. Just nice. What's this? Oh. So it's really just text and text hover. So let's ditch that. Back in here for secondary. No need for background or border or any of the hovers. There you go. It's a little bit cleaner here. All right, so this is kind of what we're working with. This is the secondary. Cool. All right, I think I have a pretty good grasp of how this works. Not gonna publish it just yet, but yeah, I think this is solid now. We have two components. This component is pretty beefy. We have section styles. Oh, you know what? I can clean this up even more. Oh, you know what? I think I'm just gonna, yeah, simplify. It's the name of the game here. Hey, how's it going, man? All right, so here I have, oh, I have these older ones. So I guess I could just call this button, right? This one is supposed to be the small button. This is the large button. This is an outline button. I think the outline and the normal button can be joined together. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. Actually, yeah, I'm just gonna straight up. So in the button component, I really just want, I don't know what I want. I do want the ability to go from this to this. I think it's getting like overly complicated, so I'm just going to Oh, I see. This is the small button with a bunch of styles on it. So I'm kind of overriding it with some styles. Yeah, it's kind of dumb. Just overcomplicating it. Let's do button is small is going to be 1 rem. Right, is small, 1 rem, cool. Let's look at the background, make sure it's correct. Text, background, awesome. All right, and then I'm gonna ditch this guy. It's not needed. Yeah. So primary. All right, now here, button 1 large has to be visible. So let me fix that actually. So in the group, I don't really need this stuff anymore. Who's yelling at me? All right. Button 1 primary, button 1 small. I can literally get rid of that, I think. So let's remove button 1 small. Let's move the outline. Let's remove large. Let's just call this button 2 and button 1. So we're really just making this as simple as humanly possible, not letting anything get too crazy. Button 2 there, button 1 there. All right, and then in here, this is the visibility. Visibility. Oh wait, what's this? Let's go in here. So we got rid of that and that, and the visibility, I guess. What's this? Let's get rid of that. So I really just need visibility, the link, and the text, right? That's it. Now, visibility of it is there. Let's check the styles real quick. Button is small. Perfect. At some point, I think this is just going to be called button. I don't know why we're doing is small, is not small. Cool. All right. That's pretty dope. So now, oh, I need, what else do I need? I do need the visibility of this. right? No. Let's see. No. I don't need the visibility. I literally just need link and button text, and then I can control the visibility outside of it. Oh no, I can't. I can't. So I do need it in here. All right, visibility. So it's visible to start. We go out of it. And now I can link this to primary button 1. This one, secondary button. And then in here, secondary button, we got the visibility. We got the text content. That's for the group block. And I think, is that everything? That's pretty sweet if it is. Let's exit out of here. All right, let's revisit this, make sure everything still kind of works. That's dark, that's light, reverse, not reverse. Then we have our text content, rich text, the video is still there, you can hide it. Image, you can show it. Sweet. The button, which we just did. That's the... Why is my default hidden on that button? Properties, settings, there it is. Things are so goddamn nested in here. Oh, I have this random button. I still have props here that I don't need actually. So let's go in here and clear out some things. Main blur visibility. We're not using that apparently. The primary button, link, text, and that's it actually. Don't need that, don't need that. I'm gonna have to relink some things here. Let's just restart overall, whatever. Okay, we just restarted. So now here, the button 1 reset. And this one, button 2 reset. Okay, this, I want to connect this to button 1. I want to make this button 2. Dope. Okay. Jeez. Now we're back in here. Button 1, hide it. No. Oh yeah. Okay, dope. So that's working. Now I need to update the props. Just tuck this into primary button. Put this into secondary button. Sweet. Now I think that's finally done. Okay. Let's reset everything to just make sure the defaults work. We lost the video. What? Where's the video? Oh, gotta reset that. Let's just reset all this stuff. Except for that. It's nice to have a placeholder. Cool. Alright, finally, that's done. Oh my god. I'm over it. I feel like I'm gonna have to now update. Let me make some changes to this one. So down here, I have section styles theme. I'm gonna move these to section styles. I think it's like a little bit better naming convention. It's what Lumos uses. So we're gonna run with that. Move it all the way up. There we go. Cool. And then these ones are sweet. So it is still using my setup to some extent. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave that as is, and that's all set finally. So now what's next? Let's take a look at the templates. So we have a services template here. I think I can build out a couple more components and then call it a day. So next up, we will want to, let's just make sure the style guide is still somewhat updated here. Just want to make sure we didn't break any crucial components. All right. So, looking for the buttons. I think I need to like set data theme. Oh wait. I just need to import global styles. And then where is, no, I need to import global embed, I think is what I called it. Maybe I didn't call it anything. Global embed. So global embed. Oh my god. Oh my god. Global / embed. Save. Alright. So we just dropped in global embed. Our buttons should, in theory, return, maybe? Yeah. All right, the buttons are back, so that's nice of them to be back. I actually now don't need this stuff, so I can kind of get rid of it. My button instance. Did my buttons all get small then, if that's the case? That thing is still huge. This thing is still big. Oh, right, because it's still using... So I appended or pre-pended it with... That's an issue. Ah. Shoot. I'm gonna reset. And drop in the text color. Text color primary. I think we'll do that. So let's go into style guide. Look for text styles maybe. Oh no, in here. So I'm gonna do, let's duplicate it. Let's do text theme. Primary. This will be a combo class or like some sort of a utility class, and it's going to take on the text primary theme. Dope. See, it's supposed to inherit it. Why didn't it inherit? Let's go back in here. So here, if I just... Oh, it was... I think it's just set to the wrong thing. Oh, I know why. We don't have our code embed set up. I can't add... That's so annoying that I can't like drop. Yeah, damn it, dude, that's so annoying. That's okay. All right, so let's drop in our global embed up here. And then now the H3 should come back. There they are. Now the global embed is over there. What's this for? Tag manager. Okay. Embed, we got our styles, global nav bar, sure. Footer. I can get rid of global styles. And then we have some random stuff. All right, so I'm gonna have to like go through this. And I mean, at some point, I guess I would have had to like do this anyways. It totally defeats the whole purpose of global styles being whatever, being a global component. So it's literally just one by one. This is the worst. Need an app that can just deal with this. Thank God they have shortcuts, because otherwise this is gonna be the most painful. It's also like the most used heading tag that just got jacked up. Oh my God, almost done. Not really. I'm moving too fast for Webflow. Come on. Oh my God. I can taste the end. Come on. Oh. Ah. God. Alright. There's so many pages. Come on. I think I broke it. There it is. It's like I'm really limited by the UI's reactiveness. These ones are all good. Style guide, I just did that. This is just a utility page. Doesn't really need it, but why not? Just add it. Oh my God. All right. There's so many. All right. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna check to see if I actually need to populate these. I know portfolios template is a thing for sure, so I will do that. I know blogs obviously needs it. So in here, dude, why is that so huge? While I'm here. Blog categories is a thing. It's missing Missing a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let's add padding global. And a container. Hey, how's it going? You just arrived at a really painful and tedious process here. Oh god. Alright. I'm so close to being done. Success stories template? Is this a template? Yeah. What am I doing? I'm making updates to this website. It was built kind of with like client first, but yeah, so I'm just updating the style guide, and I'm taking advantage of Webflow's latest updates with their components and all that stuff. So in some ways, I'm kind of bringing in Lumos, like a different framework, into this project so that my clients can basically just work with components like this. You know, they could do like dark theme by doing that. Changes everything. Yeah, so I made like a whole bunch of different functionalities here for them so they can put some landing pages together. But in the process of doing that, I had to update the way that their pages are created, or structured rather. One of the biggest ones was the global styles, this thing. This component, unfortunately, is an actual embed, so I can't drop divs or anything in here. One of the updates I made is this new puppy right here, the global embed. And in the global embed, we have a bunch of embed codes that's better separated. Actually, this one, just do like new styles. Oh yeah, no, absolutely. It just so happened that this client is in Webflow, so kind of just working with what I have here. But yeah, WordPress for sure, or I'm playing around with Next.js using Payload CMS, another up-and-comer. But Webflow is upping their game. They're introducing a lot of page building type stuff for people who don't really need to know code or anything like that. So, you know, at some point they'll get to that. A lot of our clients tend to really love Webflow. So yeah, we're kind of just in the Webflow world at the moment. There's 2 nav bars in here. Why is that? Yeah, you could do that with WordPress and all that stuff for sure as well. It just requires a lot more coding and, you know, a little bit more time. Webflow, it's a little bit easier, I suppose, to do some interactions and all that stuff just because it's low code. But we end up having to honestly write a ton of code anyways. Oh yeah, it's the pricing tier for Webflow is ridiculous. Especially, we have some clients that are growing really quickly and they need to do like the enterprise solution, and the pricing on that is absurd. It's so expensive. I get that, you know, they're hosting it, they're doing security, they're like doing a lot, but it's just so expensive. So yeah, I'm all about open source for sure. Alright, this needs here. Okay. Alright, so I think we're all good there. Next up. So I think I can also just convert this into just a super quick component. Is it this? It is that. So what do we call this? I guess actually it's kind of like a text only situation. Technically I can make this into that. Alright, I'm gonna keep this simple and do, is this a rich text? Yep. Let's call this featured content 1. I'm just gonna call this layout 1. This will be layout 2. Component. Yeah. 2? Why not? Then we can just create this component. Section 2. Alright, now we can get rid of this guy, I don't need that. We then need to do the padding. We'll let the user control the padding, so I can do div blocks here. Let's just keep this really basic. So we'll do medium. All right. And then the visibility. Oh, what's happening? Keep it as a div. Top. Space. And then this one is bottom space. Cool. Then we got a grid set up here. Does it need to actually be a grid? Can we just flex? We'll change this to flex horizontal. And then I hate how it doesn't update that. That's so annoying. It's okay. I'll make a new one. Flex horizontal. Let's move these guys in here. There we go. Do I have a column? What kind of columns do we have? We got 2 columns. What's that mean? Doesn't do anything. Call. You see column? Oh no. Let me see how I did it with these guys. let's go to components. Here are some columns. So with this one, I did, oh, I have this component spacer thing. That's clutch. Oh, that's if I'm, okay, never mind. All right, so with this one, columns to call. Oh, Uflex layout. And then it just does it. Yeah, all right. Oh God, what was I doing? This one. Okay, so not Uflex horizontal for some reason, but Uflex layout. The same exact thing. And then what? I did gap primary. Why not? Flex. Do we have like a Uflex grow? Or call half or something? No? We don't have that? What does mass do again? I really like mass grid system. It's nice and simple. What do? They do. Oh yeah. Oh right, they got this whole thing going on. I don't want to incorporate that. Call. Yeah, no, that's too. It's like I do want to use it, and I also don't want to use it. Huh. Let's just use it. It's gonna be so painful to convert this. Because I got container. I'm gonna have to set up. Okay. Let's keep it simple for now. Alright, we'll do some weird stuff here. What am I doing for this one? This is roughly what I want. They just both have flex grow, so I'm just gonna create a utility class called flex grow and call it a day. Yeah, let's just do this. This one doesn't even have properties. Ridiculous. Alright. That's way easier than redoing an entire grid system. Okay. So, there is one thing. We want to be able to do is reverse on this puppy. Will it work? Yeah, it will. Okay. Well, actually, no. I don't want to reverse it. I think we're always just going to have it be laid out like this. I think we do want a way to make a smaller rich text component. If that's the case, we could do is small. In here, text rich. Oh yeah, there's just like weirdness with how this works. I'll do text rich, text small, right? It never needs to be huge. And then I'll do, yeah, why not? That's it. I'm done. Rich text. This is section title. There's this list here. Is this a... I don't even know what component I brought in. Oh, it's not even a... I thought this was an accordion. It's not an accordion. Okay. This is not even the right friggin' thing. Alright, let's grab an accordion of some sort. Can I just get an accordion? Like, just the element. There it is. Let's see. A plus or a chevron? Let's do Chevy. Plus, maybe. No. Chevron. Committing to chevron. The thing with accordions, though, is this is where component slots, which I don't know if that released yet. This is where component slots are going to be really, really clutch, because you can just keep dropping in a whole bunch of these puppies. Let's see. What's a way to do this so that it's somewhat scalable for now? This is also... Oh, you know what? Well, actually, what we could do is... I could just create this as a component, this accordion. Let's use a rich text instead of that paragraph. Copy this. Let's go in here, delete everyone, paste that, do that. All right, okay. Then the rich text, what just happened? All right. So that's a rich text. Remove the paragraph. Get the rich text. That's the main rich text. Paste that. Just a little bit better. Default. Accordion item. Title. Cool. Alright, yeah, so I think what I want to do is I want to make accordion 1. Maybe rename it to accordion item 1. And accordion item 1, let's make sure this is named properly. Okay. Let's convert this. No. Let's convert this to a component. So this will be, what do we call these? It is a component. It's an element. What are components inside of components called? I think it's just a component. It's an element. Element is kind of like a primitive, so that's like HTML elements. But then you have, let's call it a block. Seems decent. Block accordion 1. Okay. Now let's link this up. That's an accordion title. And then what? Where's the, oh shoot. I guess I'm not supposed to put it over there. I need that to be accordion 1. This should be called accordion item trigger. And then this should be called accordion 1 or block accordion 1. Whatever. Then this becomes a component. This we call block accordion 1. Beautiful. Then this becomes accordion item. Accordion title. There you go. And then this becomes the main rich text. Sweet. The icon stays there. Maybe the icon actually can disappear. Accordion icon. Yeah. And then I guess in some ways I could convert this into just like not an accordion by removing accordion bottom, and then it just becomes kind of like a list, so that's nice. But for now I'll keep it as that. Okay, and then I can also maybe at some point create little list items. I think for now let's keep things simple. And so I think for this element, the layout 2, it really is just this. That's layout 2, right? And then if we want an accordion over there, I guess what we could do is let's put a div down here, right? And then this will also be, it's gonna have this same client first structures. So we need container large, and then we don't need section padding. I think we need, I guess we could just drop in the block accordion. No, actually we don't. We want to do a max width of small, too small. And then we also want to not text align. Margin. Can I do margin right? That's not gonna give me what I want. Of course not. Max width small. I'm trying to be smart with the fastest way to do this. Right align. It's a terrible way to do this. It's okay. And then this, we would hide that, and then that would be that, and then this would be not max width small. Let's do this is the only problem. Oh, I guess I can add. I could add a gap, or I should have used a grid system, I guess. That's what I get for not using one. Let's keep it on medium for now. So this looks hella broken. Wait. Do I not have... Alright, I'm gonna have to figure out a solution for this. It would be awesome if I could just drop it right in there, but that's not a thing that happens. I'm gonna drop a... flex gap. What is it called? It's a gap. Oh my god. What's it called? Gap primary. Why didn't it show up? Oh, because it's a... Got it. So now I actually just need this to be uflex. Gap primary, uflex grow. Why is this guy taking up so much space? I'm gonna do this instead. Problem solved. All right, the space here is not ideal. I think it's gonna have to be okay for now. And so now if this is oh, I'm gonna need a container. Well, they're both in a container? How is... oh yeah, there. It's not in a container. That kind of sucks that I have to do that. Okay, to reduce the amount of divs, because if we have like 5 items of accordions, it's gonna look absolutely ridiculous, or just have so many divs. Just we got 1, 2, 3, 4, plus all the stuff in here, like 4 per freaking accordion item. It's ridiculous. So I think I'm just gonna combine right align and padding global. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna go anti-client first here, you know, because that's what we do. So max width, we'll go 80 rem, 100 auto, padding global. No, we don't have one. That's good. I don't even know what padding global is. 5 rem. All right. 5 rem for the old padding global. Swear to God, am I inside of header padding? Okay, whatever. All right, we got right align. Do one of those. We got our gap. Got margin auto. This is missing something. Oh no, it's got padding global. And then it's got container large, 80. Okay. Just doesn't have. Why are you so short, my guy? Interesting. Okay. Let's reset the padding here. What is so strange? Oh, I think the issue is with this guy, not us. All right, whatever. All right, so now our... oh gosh. FinSuite's got a tool for this, right? Merge. Right align and gap primary to new class name. No, we're calling this block. No, we're calling this component accordion 1 list. Cool. All right, let's focus in. Need to drink more coffee. Everything is so damn wide. What's happening? All right, there's our merged class. It looks merged, just like we want. All right, seriously, what is the deal? There is no padding global here. There is a padding global here. There's padding medium. Flex layout, row. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna change this to ucall half. That's what it is. No, that's not what it is. It's okay. Okay. So that's half, and we got a gap primary. Flex layout, gap primary, flex. Hello. Okay, we got this. Flex. Gap primary. Oh, you know what? It's because my margin auto is with the, oh no. So it's pushing, yeah. That's annoying. So basically we've hit the max width, so now, but that doesn't make sense because there's container large, right? And there's padding. I don't understand actually what's happening. Why is this not being cooperative? Oh, you know what? It's probably one of these guys. Not that. Why is it so... It's gotta be this. Is it this? Annoying. I'm trying to think. What is messing you up at this breakpoint? Wait, now it's... Oh. So dumb. No. Bro, really? Alright, let's do a static. Okay. A 100% of your container is up to there. Why are you not going into your home? Has to be the old padding, yeah. So maybe what I could do is yeah, I'm gonna need to, like, where do I bake? I guess I can put the padding. It has to be outside. Alright, that's okay. Whatever. It's so annoying. At least we can have that now. The annoying bit is, yeah, I'm gonna have to create a kind of a global section component. let's do section template. And section template will have global, well, section template should be a section. No, actually, no, it should not. Let's just keep it as a div. Yeah, because I made all of these guys sections. Okay, it's okay. It's all right. So, section template. What do we need in here? We need padding global. Let's just put that in there. And then container large. And then that's it. So all this is gonna do for us is, if someone wants to create this accordion list so that we don't end up, wait a minute. What the hell? Oh, right, the issue is in the min width. Yeah, so we don't end up with something like this. Actually, you know, now that I think about it, let's just put the old padding right in here. So what? This is like 5 rem? No, we're back to the, dang it. Yeah, no, we can't get it. We can't escape it. This kind of also doesn't make sense. It's gonna be a little tricky to use. Also, I don't need this half right here. I technically don't need all of this. This might be a okay. I can't wait for component slots because it solves this issue. So I'm just gonna leave this as is and maybe just make this a training type of situation. Just let them know, hey, copy and paste, drop it in here, make sure you didn't call half, and then call it a day. All right. So these are decent elements that we have going on here. When we are at extremely like wide screens, things start to look a little wonky. Let's also fix this guy. It's a mess. So here I want the theme to be dark. There you go. So nice to just be able to do that. And then I want padding bottom, extra padding. Yeah. Look at that in action. The little page builder in action. Except for this. This is not great. So it's just not good. Alright, it's pretty clutch. Alright, let's try creating a new page. Alright, let's say, alright, cool. Let's create a little test service page. Test service page. Let's not have the slug look like that. Like that. There you go. So we got a test service page. It's gonna live inside of our services. Sweet. blah, 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 blah. I'm doing stuff. Let's hit create. There's our test service page. What I don't like about this test service page is that it comes with too many things that I probably don't need. So I'm gonna have to figure this out. So let's change our... I just realized like this template is not done at all, actually. Maybe the test service page just has... Let's do section call out. We're gonna get slightly section large text, I guess. I don't know why I called it section call out. Section, oh my god. Large text. Yeah. Yeah, being in WordPress, like you can really host wherever you want. It's kind of the best. Or any you know, any of those open source CMSs. We're kind of at like anytime Webflow crashes, you can't work. Luckily, it doesn't crash too often, but that is very much a possibility. All right, what's this? Main text, I guess we can call it. Oh, the problem here is I can't, whatever. I think I can't, like, if I go in here, yeah, I can't set things to bold. So I'm gonna need to convert this to a rich text and just hope that it doesn't get messed up. Property settings. Because once it's rich text, you know, people can start dumping in headings and all this crazy stuff. But really, we just want them to put in a paragraph. Okay. All right, so this is text style jumbo callout. All right. So the unique thing about this callout is I have some CSS that sort of hijacks the callout, which means if I do something like this, it should go bold and purple. Yeah, it doesn't work. Great. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do all paragraph, nest it inside of there. Now we can try it again. Yep, doesn't work still. Great. Next, I can do... I don't know what this outputs it to. Oh, you know what? I think there's a... Where is it? Did they get rid of a... What is this AI learning? Get out of here. Where is this CSS previewer? Interface? Search. Backups. It's gone. Gotta go in here. Oh god. Oh no. I just don't want to publish. I guess I could publish on the Webflow IO. Another downside. Is it on the style panel? Oh, I want to. Oh, wow. Was it always there? Thanks, man. I don't even know if this is going to show me what I need to see. Yep. That's okay. All right. All right. Who are you? Interesting. Interesting turn of events here. So, Webflow decided to do something completely different with the rich text. So if you have, wait. Oh no, because I don't have it bolded. Hold on. It's like, what? Okay, I'm just trying to get it to look purple. Okay. Yeah, they moved it. I mean, it makes sense that it's with the style panel because it's styles. I don't know why it was down there anyways to begin with. All right, let's see. Create. So I can do text style jumbo callout strong. Oh, here I actually added classes to it. I don't need to do that. Text style jumbo callout strong. All right. So now I can just, I wonder, I'll do it in the global styles. Maybe in the base? Is that a base thing? It's not a base thing. Where did I even put the other one? That's okay. I'll start a type, or not type, a text font stuff for now in here. Oh shit, I forgot it. Text dump. Oh my god, I forgot it. Why did I name this so long? Embed, base, even though it's not really a base, that's okay. Okay. Text. All right, text style jumbo call out strong. And then I actually want to use my variable. Can I access it from here? I think it was called base. No, I think it was called like text primary or something. I don't remember. That's not what it was called. Oh, I can't access it because it's after the color. That's fine. All right, let's call this theme text primary. Maybe I should put it in here. I should probably put it in here. Let's keep it simple for now. And the way we keep it simple for now is, let's just grab it from here. Light primary is what it is. No, base. I also have... Thanks, man, and thanks for showing me where the damn style panel is. Text primary. Text light primary. Okay. There it is. So now we got the purple. So now anytime the client bolds things, I guess, it'll be nice and purple. Let's hope they actually use that. Okay. So let's give this a spin. Alright. Oh, it's not even connected. So that's not helpful at all. Connect. Main. I'm just gonna write text. That's it, I guess. You just want text. All right. Almost 2 hours making this. Let's try it out. Bold. Nice. Cool, so that works. I do want to make this into a light dark situation, because that's fun to do. So let's do that. Let me... let's see. So what am I trying to do? Text style jumbo call out. So instead of it being pink, we'll do text secondary. And then now it's black. Great. And then I need to... go in here. All right, zooming back out. So that's text secondary. If I get out of here. Text light secondary. What is text light secondary? Text light. I don't think it's working because that's not what I have. Oh yeah, it is working. Eh. Eh. Text light, secondary. Keep going background. Let's do this one. There you go. And then primary is that one, right? So is this in, did I do theme? Let's go here. Yeah, theme. Okay. Now the go in here. So this font font stuff needs to happen. I guess it goes in color. It sort of makes sense, but I don't know. So inside of this is root. I'm gonna drop it in here. Let's do rich text highlights. So the call out strong, we want the variable to be text primary, right? Yeah. We want the variable to be text primary. So variable text light primary. Oh, it is already. No, we want it to be text theme text primary. Yeah, we want this. Losing my mind. There we go. Okay, still the same. Good, good. Now, I can add a little attribute here. Data theme. Is it just data theme? Yeah, sick. Thank God. All right, now we are in dark mode. And that was pretty easy. We'll start by default inherit. And then that's it. Oh, just best practice here. Let's just organize ourselves a little bit. This will be section styles, I think is what I called it. No, this is section styles. This is going to be called theme. This is going to be content. Content. There we go. Section styles, and then we got the content. Cool. All right. I think the other things would be nice. All right, so we got that. We got that. Cool, 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 cool. We're not doing light mode, dark mode over there. We are doing light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode here. See this one. This one doesn't make sense. This one. Oh, you know what? I'm not even in the. It's okay. It's an awkward space. cool. So the actual hero area of these pages. I guess I have to like give some sort of a reusable thing. I think it could just be this. You know, this is just our hero. So it's a huge component, but it's cool. All right, so what's this one? Oh, this is the fancy pants one. This one is the default. So section, default, service header. So this is just gonna be in, like, should I make this a component? I guess. Then we got header text. This one. Just have eyebrow visibility. This is just a paragraph. Paragraph. Yes. I don't know if it's just good to just. I'm just gonna do that. It's good to just reach for the rich text, I guess. Text size medium. Text, rich text. I think it has to be like text, rich text, better. Make this big. Bigger. Now we want the color to be theme, text primary. H2. Theme. Text primary. Service title. Theme. Secondary. What else do I want to do here? I think that's it. Maybe this is text secondary actually. pretty overwhelming, the amount of purple we got going on here. Service header. Let's do service header. Right. It's 100. Let's do... Guess that's okay. Looks weird. It's because of this overline. Let me grab this overline. Just want these two to be aligned. Then it's gonna potentially look odd. I don't know. I think it's okay. Right? Yeah. Heading section large. I think it's just so weird looking. Let's do heading section medium. It's better. Way better. Alright, next up. So settings. That's set up, that's set up, this is not set up. Button visibility. Button text. Link. Okay. Then I want to do a little theming. Data theme. Oh, data theme style. I keep forgetting. Is it data theme? Data theme style? I think it's data theme. Nope. It's just data theme. Okay. Sweet. Oh, I always forget. Props. There. Wait. Is that always there? Oh my god. Wait. I just got excited. Oh my god, it's there. How did I not see that? The slots are there. Alright. Before I get too excited, let's put this stuff into places. Content. Not being used. That's theme. Section styles. It's pretty good. Got our theme, got that. What's this? Oh, it's for this. Make sure everything works. Alright. Now let's look into this slots. I think I have to put it in here. And then this becomes a slot? Is that how it is? Oh. I see. Okay. Let's drop a div. Right? Create a slot. So cool. Right? And then what? And then we go in here. Go to props. Props on the slot. Slots. Section styles. Bottom space. Section styles. Content. Dude, this is such a game changer if this works. Content. It's not gonna work. No, because the slots is only for the app. Dang it. That's annoying. That would have been oh yeah, it's just through DevLink. I wish it worked. It's alright. Alright. Done with that. I think that's looking decent. Let's see when Webflow slot. Like, when is that coming out? It's not out yet. That's unfortunate. It really would have solved a lot of the pain points I'm currently experiencing. Alright, let me look at Very cool. All right, next up is a homepage design. All right, we're back. Next up, we're gonna do some. What are we doing? Let's see. I don't know why I have Microsoft Word open, so we're gonna get rid of that. Same with Illustrator. Why? All right, let me see here. Let's rebuild a homepage. Let's take a look at what the homepage looks like. Coming out of the presentation, we have this. Now, when I design things, it's not gonna be fully like documented into a style guide. Everything's like buttoned up. I am using auto layout features and whatnot. Let me move this here. But it's loose because I want the freedom to be able to play, especially if I'm making random blobs and whatnot, right? So with that in mind, the first step to designing this is bringing it into. With that in mind, the first step in designing this is bringing it into the style guide in Figma. Let's see how quickly we can do this. Actually, I don't honestly even know if we have. We do have a nav, thank God, but it's not completed, so that's good. Let's see. Primitives. So I think I should be able to find a way to get this into Figma pretty fast, but you know, we'll see. It also comes down to finding the vibe. I have the nav. Templates. So let's get a homepage up here. All right. So we got a home. Going to move this over here. No, not like that. Come on. All right. Let me bring it over there. So right away, I see new font color. It's got 60% on it. All right. This is completely new. We got sort of this component already. All right. The first thing we'll do is, I guess I could just like wholesale. Well, not really. I'm gonna grab this. Drop. Whoops. Grab these guys. So I think we want. Oh, this is what. Okay. Actually, here's what we really want is grab this, get that, put it there, center it, auto layout. Do I have values? I think I do. I don't. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Let's look at the local variables. Look at sizes. I think because I have large is, I think I have padding section large. Let's see. 8 rem. What's 16 times 8? 128? That's huge. It's okay. Alright. So now I can just do padding large. In here. Is this not... It's 128. Hog contents here. Go back into the home. Then we got 2 buttons. So let's grab a button. Let's drop it in here. And auto layout it. Grab the button, duplicate the button. Go this way. This is a secondary. Oh, interesting. Interesting. 10, 20, 10. Teen. Oh, is it just... Oh, it's literally because there's an icon. Primary, theme, light, style, stroke. Interesting. So this wasn't fully fleshed out. That's okay. I need to lock. I just gotta make a dupe of this, and this one, the style will be stroke. Style, stroke. And then we are gonna get rid of the fill. We're gonna bring in the stroke. And then also the text. Do that. Stroke, let's go 2. Same with this guy. This one, we don't want to, well, yeah, we don't want to fill. 2, and the stroke is the hot pink. This text color goes to our primary. No, let's go with that. Not very visible, but that's okay. Pages. Now I can go in here and do primary stroke. Perfect. All right. It does seem tiny. Maybe that's okay. Gap. Let's apply a variable. Do 16. And then these two guys here. These two need to be their own little family. This, and then we can spread it out even more. Let's add another variable here of name, number, size, 32. Oh, I messed up the value. Dang it. It's also just size. It's also just ungroup it. There you go. I need to charge my phone. We're dying out here. these are all of the colors. All right, what? So we got that. I'm gonna need to figure that out. I could just run with these colors for now, but I already have a ton of colors. So let's take a look at the colors that we have. So we legitimately have all of this already. And then now I'm trying to add more. Crazy. Okay, so I feel like these are just versions of this, but well, this one is, these are blues. Maybe we can do opacities to get to these colors in some weird way. That's probably the move. All right, I gotta pause.